named financial market. Hello everyone. Let us continue with the second kind of capital market. We earlier we have done the first type of capital market, that was primary market. Primary market we did where the fresh issue of securities are being done. Now, as you know, the shares can be traded actively. That means shares can be bought and sold. Shares can be bought and sold in the kind of market that is secondary market. And secondary market is also known as the stock market or the stock exchanges, where the purchase and sale of existing security is done. If you remember that we have done the definition of financial market, that the financial market is a market where the securities are created and existing securities are bought and sold. So securities are created, that is primary market. In the securities are created in the primary market, and these are converted into the financial assets as well as into liquid form in the secondary market. So secondary market helps in disinvesting and fresh investor to enter into the market. When the securities are converted into cash, that means these are more liquid. It also contributes to the economic growth. How? That by channelizing funds into the most productive investments. So in this age of technology, advances in the information technologies have made trading through stock exchanges very easy. So let's study about the stock exchange. So what is stock exchange? A stock exchange is basically an institution which provides the platform for buying and selling of existing security. It facilitates the exchange of securities into money and money into the securities. The large companies can easily raise funds from stock exchanges, provide liquidity of securities, safety of investment, and enhance its creditworthiness. So, according to Securities Contract Act 1956, stock exchange means a body of individuals, persons, whether registered or not. It is constituted for the purpose of assisting, regulating, or controlling the business of buying and selling of the securities. What are the various functions of stock exchanges? The stock exchanges provide liquidity and marketability to the existing securities. The basic function of stock exchange is the creation of a continuous market where securities are bought and sold. It gives investors the chance to disinvest and reinvest. It provides both liquidity. Again and again we are doing that at stock exchanges. The cash can be converted into securities and securities can be converted into the cash. The pricing, the next one is pricing of securities. That in the financial, when we have studied about the functions of financial market, there we studied that a financial market facilitates a discovering of pricing, facilitates a discovery of prices. So same here, that almost the functions of stock exchange and the financial markets, these are same. It would be easy to learn when if you learn the functions of financial market, just only you have to make a little bit change in the language and you can write down the functions of stock exchanges. So share prices on a stock exchange are determined by the forces of demand and supply we have done earlier. And through at stock exchange provides a mechanism for the constant valuation through which the prices of securities are determined. The stock exchanges, they are continuously dealing in the securities, and buyers as well as sellers, they get a platform to fix the prices of their securities. Safety of transactions. A stock exchange is a place where the transactions can be done safely. Why? Because these transactions are done within the framework of existing legal status. That each and every activity is done legally via a definitely designed process. If that process is not followed, that the punishment is decided against that process. Stock exchanges that contribute to the economic growth. How? Through the process of disinvestment, means securities into cash, and reinvestment means cash into securities. This leads to the capital formation. आप securities खरीदते बेचते हैं तो somewhere you are getting profits. Spreading of equity cult, that stock exchanges plays a vital role in ensuring the share ownership. That people, they know, they develop a faith that whatever securities are being dealt at the stock exchanges, they are dealt within a legal framework. Nothing illegal can be happened. So the next one is scope for speculation. So stock exchanges provide a sufficient scope for the within the provisions of law. It is a legal gambling. Basically, that gambling we use, that it is a punishable offense. But security, the trading of securities, and then estimating the prices in advance, uh, then these in it is a legal gambling which is being acceptable by the government. Speculation. So it is it ensures the stock exchanges, they ensure the liquidity and price continuity in the stock market. So it's all for the day. Thank you.